Hi, I'm Scott Rouge, the current president of the board of directors for All America Selection winners.
Hi, I'm Janine Bogard with Syngenta Flowers.
Hi, my name is Chris Berg, Director of Marketing with Dooman Orange.
Hi, I'm Joe Cimino, Head of Cicada Seed America's Ornamentals and Solutions Business Groups.
AAS does a lot of marketing for us that we would not have had otherwise through their social media and their just outreach to the general public and getting name exposure out there for us. Industry people are great, but in the end of the game, it's all about consumer recognition. And so AAS does a great job of getting that out there.
AAS gives us the ability to connect with consumers, with garden writers, and with all segments of the industry and really help us promote these new plants.
We can tell you Cicada values this immeasurably as an extension of our marketing department.
One of the reasons I really strongly believe in All America Selections is the extensive trialing and critique and the information that we get from judges all over the United States and Canada. Those judges are industry professionals that are able to evaluate the true performance of a plant.
We're very proud of these varieties as they've been trialed coast to coast across North America and had incredible performance.
Cicada's had a long beneficial relationship with All American Selections. Besides being a testing site, our membership in AAS has provided us value unmeasurable over the years. Most recently, our Zinnia Bicolor won the gold medal award, first in 17 years. And as you know, we've had other crops over the years winning awards as well.
Is a Calliope medium dark red, and that was an AAS winner 2 years ago, and it has done a lot. Another advantage, I also manage the home garden vegetable program, and we received an award for Prism Kale a few years back. And literally within hours of getting that award at the ASTA convention, we had orders for that variety. So again, a very powerful tool for us in getting that variety launched out into the marketplace.
We've entered many varieties. I've personally entered many varieties in AAS in my years as product manager for Pan American Seed, and this is one of them. This is All America Selection winning Dianthus Jolt Pink, and it performed so well in the trials internally, and we thought, how can we take this new plant to consumers and to the industry? And we decided to enter it directly into the trialing program with AAS, and we were thrilled when it won.
Our first perennial introduction into the AAS program is our new Sweet Daisy Birdie. I absolutely love this variety because it's got this beautiful cone on top, pristine white petals, and it's endless flowering. This variety is also hardy to zone 3, so no matter where you live, you can ensure that this is going to come back year after year.
For us at Syngenta, we have found this very powerful marketing tool over the years. So if you haven't ever entered an AAS competition, I strongly encourage you to look at it, seriously consider it, because once you start winning awards, you're going to want to come back year after year with their entries into the program.
I would encourage you to explore your opportunities with AAS. We view our partnership very highly, and we include it in everything we do.
I hope that you will continue to consider All America Selections trials for all of your innovative new products, because you will really see the bang for your buck with the amazing trial information that you get, the photography, the testimonials from professionals all across the United States and Canada, and then they'll help you take your message directly to consumers later on. So enter your varieties in All America Selections winners. I cannot wait to see them in the trials next year.
And remember, with AAS, the proof is in the plant.